How to view TikTok analytics. If we want to grow on TikTok, we need to understand what's working and what's not. Without checking the analytics, are just guessing. So let's see our TikTok analytics. The right. Open up the TikTok app and you can just go over and switch to a creator or business account if you have not done that. And for that, you can go to your profile in the bottom right, tap on it and access your profile from this section right here. Just go over and do so. Now, within the space right here, we can tap on the menu option, usually in the top right, to access the bump menu of our account. And from here, select the option of TikTok Studio under this creation and business tools option. And what we can do is basically an analytics option will appear. Now will appear on your screen. You can tap on it. And then once we tap on it here, we'll be finding this section. So here we'll be finding overview content section. So go to overview first, and here we'll be finding video views, profile views, followers, etc. Similarly, we have content section. Tap on it. When we go over there, it will show us performance of each of the video. Apart from that, we have viewers. You can tap on it to look out for your viewers metric. And we have followers. Tap on it. When we tap on followers, here we'll see our follower activity and active time. And we have live section where we'll be finding live stream insights. If used, you can just go over and check it out. And in order to increase your analytics, basically you need to post when followers are most active and repeat the content style that gets more watch time. You can just go over and do so. And that will probably help you grow faster and improve out the reach and engagement for yourself on TikTok. And it will save time by posting smarter. You can avoid random posting strategy as well. And that's it. That's how we basically view analytics of TikTok easily. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.